What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are over here in Big Bear. Me and Jirath made it up here. Luna's in the back. We're at Holcomb Valley. There's a lot of snow. We're gonna go check it out and, you know, probably not go too far because there's a storm coming pretty soon. But look at all this snow. Looks so good. Here we go. Ready? So we decided to come up here because, you know, there's a bunch of snow, whatnot, test out the Cayennes a little bit, just have a little trailing fun. A lot shallower than we thought.
Yeah.
You wanna come out? Come on, let's go on this side. Yeah. 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 She's leaping.
The way she jumps.
Yeah. Luna, come. Good girl. We're not sure. We don't see any more like fresh like tire tracks going down there more. Maybe we'll keep going. Maybe we won't.
Keep going.
Maybe we'll just have fun in this little area.
That was fun. Yeah, it's a lot bumpier than I thought.
Yeah. It was spinning a lot. It's just super bumpy.
Yeah, it's too bumpy. I don't want my airbag to go off.
So much fun in the snow. Well, since the storm's coming in, I think we're just probably gonna head back, and then we'll probably just go to like another flatland area. We're gonna have to go back on the 18 and then, you know, just go find a spot. It is what it is. We're just here to have fun. Nothing too crazy. So we're just gonna air up a little because we're gonna be heading back down the road and we're gonna find another spot. There's another like flatland area that we're just gonna mess around in. So we're gonna do that. Get my poop and doop. Well, our Summit dual air compressor just died on us. So luckily we have like the onboard ones that the Cayennes come with. We're gonna try to use those, and it's gonna take a while because it's such a tiny compressor. That sucks. Oh my god. Well, thankfully we had this compressor from mine because we looked in Jirath and he doesn't have a compressor. He just has a spare. So we have this little thing going to work. We ended up just going back to Big Bear, getting food, and then now we're back out. The view is amazing right now. The sun's starting to go down a little bit, but you could still, you know, kind of see it. Look how cool this is. We're gonna start heading back down the trail and then probably make our way home, but it's been so fun out here. We have a little more to go through. We're gonna be going through the forest area. Good girl. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Luna's just passed out. It's been such a blast driving this, and with all the modifications done and being able to take it out the way that it's supposed to be taken out, can't beat it. This thing is awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.